Hi, I'm Bill McKillop, the Interconnect Technology Manager for Hirose Electric USA. Many of you may know that Hirose was the first to design and manufacture what has become the industry standard in miniature 50-ohm coaxial connectors. First, the H.FL, and shortly thereafter, the U.FL. Now, adding to those original designs, we introduce another coaxial solution we are calling the FL Coax Bridge. And it's a unique design option for any design engineer bringing RF signals through a panel of their electronic enclosure and onto a PCB inside. The FL Coax Bridge comes in either 75 ohm or 50 ohm impedance. Let me take a moment to introduce it to you. Its significance can easily be seen by investigating the 75 ohm example first. As shown, a typical method to bring 75 ohm analog signals into an electronic device or enclosure is accomplished by using a PCB soldered BNC. That can then be mounted through a panel for connection to a 75 ohm cable. Some of the many design issues that need addressing using the PCB-mounted BNC are high-frequency PCB design, impedance control PCB traces, and depending upon the trace length, a higher cost, low-loss PCB laminate. Circuit isolation, increased PCB real estate, and reduced overall channel margin all need to be addressed as well. While many engineers possess some or all of these skills, we are excited to announce an enabling cable technology that makes implementing this solution much easier. The Hirose D.FL75 is a standard BNC 75 ohm coax connector in the front mating half, with a Hirose designed snap-on 75 ohm FL in the termination end. The modified termination end allows the designer to make the 75 ohm connection through a low-loss cable, providing greater channel margin and allowing the designer to bring the signal exactly where it needs to go on the PCB. Due to its performance and ease of assembly, the D.FL75 has been incorporated into many different designs in the broadcast engineering application market. As you can see in this accompanying slide, the flexibility to bring in additional analog signals is enhanced by the D.FL75, allowing for improved panel and channel density. Previously unusable PCB space is also now available to add functionality of the system. Rapid prototyping and ease to implement engineering changes are an added benefit. By using the D.FL75 technology, as your system goes through its iterative design stages, changing location on the panel or circuit location inside the enclosure, you simply need to unplug the cable and reattach it, or select a new cable length to complete your design. The SI performance of the D.FL75 cable is superior to a PCB trace, as you can see in this insertion loss graph, of equivalent 150 millimeter ohm lengths. At 10 gigahertz, you can see an improved 6 dB margin. Finally, as mentioned previously, there's also a 50 ohm version, the U.FL style, with all the same benefits, corresponding to the 75 ohm D.FL style. For more information about the D.FL or any other Hirose product, please visit us at hirose.com. Thank you for watching.